guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Now, following on from the previous video of removing the diesel engine from the Mark IV, in today's video we're going to be removing the subframe from the Mark IV Golf. Now, first things first, what I need to do is I want to remove the discs and the brake calipers, just to make life a bit easier when we come to remove the subframe. Firstly, what I need to do is disconnect the brake lines on both sides, and then it's just a case of there's two bolts at the back there which we can undo. That will then come off, and then it's just a case of undoing them wheel bolts, and then this should technically just come out. It's not held on, no. So yeah, that'll just pull off. Now, in regards to removing the subframe, there is a bolt to undo in the car. I'll show you that in a sec. But I've just had a quick look under here already, and it seems to be fairly straightforward. There's a bolt to undo there, and then I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? There's a bolt in there to undo as well. That's on both sides. And then I think it's pretty much straightforward. It's just a case of getting the jack underneath it, lowering it down. Now, the reason why these bits are going to be coming off the car is because, as you can probably well see, they have seen better days. Now, I want to replace any bits that are worn with new parts. Now, I'm in two minds as to whether I'm going to be using this subframe or the subframe that's on the Audi TT. I'm going to be using the brake setup off of the Audi TT, and I'm going to be using the TT hubs, because the TT hubs are in a bit further, because this car is going to be on air. When I air out, it's going to give it that little bit more clearance. I need to look into that a bit more. So that's the plan for today. We're going to, by the end of the video, have the subframe out. Okay, so next job on the list is to undo the brake line, undo the two bolts that hold the caliper and the carrier, and then we can get the disc off, and then we can move on to the other side to get that done. With that unbolted now, we can undo them 4 bolts underneath. We'll get a jack put in position. All being well, that should come out. So. That is split there. And there as well. Right. So they will need renewing. Let's see if you can see. Right. Let me see that there, polybushed. So definitely can be using them. It doesn't need a good clean. So what I will do is take everything off. Not today, but in another video I'm going to strip the subframe down. I'm going to be using the TT lower arms and the TT hub, so I won't be using these. But I'll be taking the steering rack off. I'll be giving that a good clean up. Putting new boots on it there. That's a split. Let's check that one. Yeah, that one's split as well. So need new boots on them. Try and give these a little clean up. Change these. Yeah. So yeah, it's the subframe now removed. Just take these off as well. I think that one only just slide out. That one's off. That one will come out as well. But yeah, there we have it, guys. One subframe now removed. Just quickly, let's have a little look underneath. What we're going to be doing is going to be cleaning all of that up, all that grime under there. We're going to be giving it a good degrease. We're going to check them brake lines as well, just make sure they're not corroded. That line there is the air line to feed the driver's front. Now this here, a lot of you are probably wondering what that is. That is called a chassis notch. It's basically, if you're on air, the drive shaft hits on this, preventing it going lower. So what they do is they chassis notch a bit out there, weld a plate in. Just gonna have a look at that plate, see how well that's been done. Yeah, that looks okay. Oh, looks alright. Just look how much dirt is on that. It's disgusting. That, wow, that's seen better days. Blimey. We're gonna change that. I'm not happy with that. Okay guys, so I'm going to call it a day there. We've now removed the subframe, so we can get to work on that. We removed the drive shafts, we removed the discs and the calipers. So we will get to stripping down the subframe, but I'm not too sure if it's going to be yet, because I want to get, like I said, I want to get the TT in. I want to compare the two subframes, see, you know, what route I'm going to go down, whether I'm going to use the TT subframe or I'm going to stick with this. The good thing with this one is it's been polybushed, so we can reuse them, hopefully. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new as well. But yeah, I've got done today what I set out to do, so that's always good. But until next time guys, I will catch you in the next video. Peace.